Hi, I'm Anastasia, and today I will try to recreate some of the viral videos just using a product link, and I'll do this with AI. Today I'll be testing the AI video agent from Topview AI. They reached out to me to sponsor the video, but I've done all the testing and I'll show you what worked and what didn't work well during this test. Their AI agent feature is very new and I'm excited to be one of the first people to test it. Now look here, a whole research tool that helps you find viral TikTok ad videos for any niche. Normally, I would have to use third-party platforms that have a fee of over $100 a month, but we get access to this data right here. You get a TikTok ad library with super viral videos, and you can filter them by country, industry, engagement, and so on. Or you can simply click on Topview Picks, and these are already selected best viral videos for every niche. Now I went back to select my own filters and I found this eyeliner ad. If I click on the video, what I like here, it doesn't just show me the ad, but also all the stats that they collected for this video. The engagement metrics like video views and including even how much revenue generated and what was the ad spend. Super valuable commercial information that you don't expect to find inside of your AI video generation tool. Next, I can simply click here to regenerate the ad, and this video will be added to the prompt for reference. What else do I need to provide? Just the link to the product that I want to promote. Let's say I wanted to promote this eyeliner. I'll just copy the link from Amazon and add it here in this field. You can insert links to Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, eBay, and many other e-commerce platforms. Then AI will analyze the page and all the information about it. Once it's ready, Topview shows you several images that it found on the product page. We will need to only select the best product photos and remove anything that could confuse the AI when it creates the video. I'll click to edit and voila! I get a detailed text prompt that Topview AI generated using all the information it found on the Amazon product page, including the product description and selling points that should be used in my video ad. I didn't need to type this prompt. Topview AI agent has figured this out for me. So I have the reference video, the product image, and the text prompt describing my product. I'll hit on this button and Topview AI will ask me a few more questions to fill in the gaps on information that's missing so far. It's questions like, what's my target audience? I'll say makeup enthusiasts. What's the country and language? What are the selling points? I can add some of these selling points as well, and I can choose video duration and then get started. I like that Topview gives me a chance to review all the settings before AI starts generating the video. Then it will create for me the video storyboard with detailed description of each shot. And I think it is important for you to read your storyboard carefully because each generation is using your credits, so you don't want to waste them mindlessly. If you agree with the storyboard, click Yes, I confirm and move forward. It will take a few minutes to generate the video, so I'll go grab a cup of tea and get back to check the results. Okay, so let's watch the first video it generated.
It's supposed to be smudge-proof and last all day. Let's put it to the test. The application is so smooth. Now for the smudge test. Look, absolutely nothing! It's totally smudge-proof. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested, safe for sensitive eyes. This is a winner.
Well, there are a few things that we needed to improve in this first version. For example, I typed here to remove these Chinese captions, the text overlay. I also said the eyeliner to be purple because that's the color of the product, and the text on the product should be spelled correctly. All I had to do is just type my notes in this prompt window and recreate the video. Alright, the second version of the video was much better, but I still asked for a few corrections to achieve the most realistic video possible. Let's watch the result of these changes.
This Clinique eyeliner is supposed to be completely smudge-proof and transfer-proof, so let's put it to the test. I'm applying it to my waterline now. Okay, let's try the smudge test. Wow, look at that. Absolutely nothing. It's ophthalmologist tested too. A win.
Okay, so I have to mention something that could be improved. I asked for updates, but when the video was regenerated, AI also completely changed the model. I mean the person in the video. For my ad, it doesn't really matter to keep this same model, and the product looks more realistic in this new version, which is great. But in some use cases, you might want to keep the same exact person in the video and make very subtle changes in the scene. And it looks like, for now at least, every new video generation produces quite a different person in it. But isn't it wonderful? So many different AI models that look realistic. And I didn't need to search for UGC content creators, communicate with them. I didn't need to spend hundreds of dollars for them to create the video and wait weeks to get the video back. Just a few minutes of typing on my laptop, and I even had a cup of tea while my AI video was generated. I then went ahead and tested Topview AI to recreate videos in some other niches. This is my process for a health niche product. I found this weight loss vegan powder product on Amazon. By the way, some product pages or some platforms might be more difficult for Topview to scan, but they have a solution for those situations as well. If you drop a link and get an error, you can install this free Topview Chrome extension, and when it's enabled in your browser, just open any product page and click on this button. And once the images are pulled from the page, you can add to them your reference viral video to the same prompt. Now let's check out the video I generated for the weight loss powder. These are the two videos next to each other. On the left, you will see the original viral video. And on the right side, we will watch the AI video ad generated for the product that I imported. And I also generated another video ad in the footwear niche. This is the product I added. The original viral ad is on the left, and the AI-generated video ad is on the right side. Let's play them side by side, and I'll just play the audio from my AI-generated ad.
I am absolutely obsessed with these adorable cow slippers. They have this super warm, thick lining inside, and the non-slip sole means I can wear them anywhere. They're so lightweight and comfy for indoors or outdoors. Seriously, you need a pair. Get yours now.
What I love here is that it not only created very similar visuals focusing on the product, but also added happy, energetic music and very meaningful captions and call to action text like in the original viral ad. I mean, it took me just a few minutes and I've got a video ad for my product that follows the same viral formula and looks just as realistic as the original video. Try Topview AI using the link below. Their plans are very affordable, especially if you compare it to your potential expenses if you worked with UGC creators to create these ads. And if you're seriously into AI tools, check out my next video about the 5 AI tools that are making people rich right now. I'll see you in the next one.